So, hi guys, another day, another vlog. I will make a very unique vlog today. I never done before unboxing. Okay. What's this? Only this? Gosh, very small, huh? It's okay. I think this is €1. I'm thinking this is a can. This is pala a plastic. I see. Nice. It's cute. I think this one is for €4, I think. I have it. This is what I'm waiting. Secret. This is what I'm waiting. The last time, you know, I'm a little bit disappointed. My order arrived only 3. I will try it. Secret. I will make a separate video with this one. This is the first time I'm going to try it. This is a contact lens, actually. It's not really a secret. Because I want to make transition video, bring me to life. And this is a box for contact lens. And then last week, I have been in Rossmann. I have bought yung contact for cleaning ba? The contact lens. Upgrading. I'm upgrading in TikTok, but I earn no money, zero. But at least I'm happy. That is the important. I'm happy. What's this? This is my order. Okay. I know na, I remember. This is for cover too, I think. Yeah, this is for ano, you know, when you make this. But let's see if it is working. But I have already a makeup, so I don't like. Before I open my order, I make up first because wait, I have a feeling this one will arrive. So I will make TikTok. Bato? Buksan? This is for that partner. But let's see. Oh my god, I think it's nice. You know, I practice to makeup always here. In some of my TikTok, I have here in my hand, I forgot to delete. Then I see it only after I have made TikTok video when I watch my video. Oh, it's nice. I like it. Let me go for this. But I have already, maybe it becomes dirty. I have sneeze. Look what I'm wearing. I become really a sneeze. We have, I think, 2 degrees. In order to be pretty and sexy. So, this one is also for this is for this. They like that also, but I like this. Diba? Okay, that's all my order. I have lots of order coming. I think I ordered 5 more contact lenses. And they are coming, so only this I have. Okay,